One hard part about the English language is that while most words follow the predictable patterns taught in phonics-based programs, there are rule breaker words, or sticky words, that don't follow the rules. Research shows that children learn these words best if they use the phonics skills they have to sound out the parts of the words that follow the rules, and memorize the parts that do not. In this two-player game, children get lots of practice reading 72 of the most common sticky words. To play, players take turns picking out snack sticks from their opponent's cup. The stick will either have a word or a bug on it. If it's a word, the player reads the word out loud. If they draw a bug, they follow the prompt. For ants, they make a rhyme with a word they have already selected. For ladybugs, they read all words they have collected so far. For inchworms, they use one of the words they already have in a sentence. The bugs are fun, but draw 3 and the game is over and you'll have to start again.